The demanda Lêkera Alîkar bun. Auxiliary verb to be with 3 tenses. Kurdish language activities. Deman niha. Present continuous tense, present tense. They both are same in Kurdish language. Hevoken erini. Positive sentences. As khamginim. I am sad. As shame. I am happy. Tu khamgini. You are sad. Tu shayi. You are happy. El khamgine. She is sad. He is sad. El shaye. She is happy. He is happy. Em khamgine. We are sad. Em shane. We are happy. Hun khamgine. You are sad. Hun shane. You are happy. El khamgine. They are sad. El shane. They are happy. Deman niha. Present tense, present continuous tense. They both are same in Kurdish. Hevoken neyini. Negative sentences. As nekhamginim. I am not sad. As neshame. I am not happy. Tu nekhamgini. You are not sad. Tu neshayi. You are not happy. El khamgine. She is sad. He is sad. El neshaye. She is not happy. He is not happy. Em nekhamginen. We are not sad. Em neshane. We are not happy. Hun nekhamginen. You are not sad. Hun neshane. You are not happy. El nekhamginen. They are not sad. El neshane. They are not happy. Dema bori. Past tense. Hevoken erini. Positive sentences. As khamgin bum. I was sad. Tu khamgin bui. You were sad. El khamgin bu. She was sad. He was sad. Em khamgin bun. We were sad. Hun khamgin bun. You were sad. El khamgin bun. They were sad. Hevoken neyini. Negative sentences. As nekhamgin bum. I was not sad. Tu nekhamgin bui. You were not sad. El nekhamgin bu. She was not sad. He was not sad. Em nekhamgin bun. We were not sad. Hun nekhamgin bun. You were not sad. El nekhamgin bun. They were not sad. Dema be. Future tense. Hevoken erini. Positive sentences. Eze shabim. I will be happy. Tuye shabi. You will be happy. Ewe shabe. She will be happy. He will be happy. Eme shaben. We will be happy. Hune shaben. You will be happy. Ewe shaben. They will be happy. Hevoken neyini. Negative sentences. Eze ne shaben. I will not be happy. Tuye ne shabi. You will not be happy. Ewe ne shabe. She will not be happy. He will not be happy. Eme ne shaben. We will not be happy. Hune ne shaben. You will not be happy. Ewe ne shaben. They will not be happy. Spas bo temashekirne. Jkarama khwe abone buine jbirnekin. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Maybe shopping the sir. Follow us on Instagram Kurdish Language Activity, Twitter @Kurdish Activity.